In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the audio language or enable audio description on Prime Video. Many of us enjoy watching shows and movies on Prime Video, but sometimes you'd like to listen in a different language or need to enable audio descriptions for an enhanced viewing experience. Let's walk through the steps to make those changes, whether you're watching on a TV, using a mobile device, or via the web. First, let's talk about changing the audio language while you're playing a video. Once you've started watching your favorite show or movie, you'll notice the playback controls appear. Among these controls, look for the icon that resembles a speech bubble. This is usually labeled as the subtitles and audio icon. Give that a click and you'll be presented with a menu. In this menu, you'll see two sides. On the left, you'll find your subtitle or closed caption options, which can be very useful if you want to follow along with text. On the right, you'll see the different audio tracks available for the video you're watching. Sometimes, you may see a track labeled with a language followed by audio description. This is particularly helpful for viewers who benefit from audio narratives that describe scenes and actions in the video. To select your preferred audio language, simply click on the track you want. If audio description is available and you prefer it, look for the track that includes audio description in its title and select that. Once you've made your selection, close the menu to resume playback. Now let's discuss enabling or disabling audio descriptions. Not all titles on Prime Video offer audio description, but for those that do, you can turn it on or off through the audio track menu. To enable it, choose the audio track with audio description in its name. If you decide later that you want to listen without additional descriptions, simply pick the same language option without the audio description tag. Depending on your device, such as a TV or a mobile app, you might need to navigate to the Audio and Languages section within the playback menu for these settings. There's also a way to change the default language in your Prime Video interface, which is separate from choosing audio tracks for individual videos. On the Prime Video website, go to your account or profile settings where you'll find a language option. By adjusting this setting, you can change your preferred language for the Prime Video interface itself. It's important to note, though, that this doesn't necessarily affect the audio track language for all videos automatically. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to tweaking your audio settings on Prime Video. We hope this helps enhance your viewing experience, whether you want to enjoy a movie in another language or require audio descriptions. Enjoy your binge watching.